mind at the end of the day. The first thing that I always say, how was your day? I want to know. It was good, thanks. And that's the way it goes. Sometimes the words don't come out right. Sometimes I struggle, that's alright. I have the words to help me through. Simple phrases just for you. Just a moment, wait a second. Give me time to find the words. What you said, I wanna hear it. Say it slowly so it's heard. How was your day? Tell me how you feel. What are you doing? Let's make this real. I don't understand. Can you say it again? Say it clear. That makes sense now. I'm getting there. My friend is talking, I hear them say,
what are you doing? What do I say?
I'm busy right now. Just a moment, please. Wait a second. Then I'll say with ease,
how was your day?
It was good, thanks.
What are you doing?
I'm busy right now. Just a moment.
Of course, take your time.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Can you repeat that?
Sure, speak more slowly.
Yes, please. What do you mean?
I mean, like this.
That makes sense?
Yes, that makes sense.
Thank you. How was your day?
I wanna know.
Speak more slowly, please.
Nice and slow. That makes sense now. I understand. Simple English, close at hand.
How was your day?
Just a moment, wait a second.
I don't understand.
Speak more slowly, please. That makes sense. Now I understand.